Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am trying to do a small little makeover for this guest bathroom. It also serves as a powder room. It's a standard apartment, full-size bathroom. As for amenities, in this bathroom, there is nothing much. Quite honestly. But the only thing that I'm happy about is it has a tabletop sink. There is no storage. We have an exhaust, and in terms of keeping the toiletries, we have this corner glass shelf. I cannot drill nails or anything around the walls as everything is tiled. So let's see what can be done. Anshuman brings back a lot of toiletries from his official trips. And these little things have not found their home in this house. I picked up these sorting bins from Ikea. And I'm going to use them to separate them in different categories. A well-stocked guest bathroom or a powder room really helps the guest to feel at home and not feel embarrassed by disturbing the host or hostess with small little needs. Once everything was sorted, I created a customized label for all these bins and printed them out on an adhesive paper. These are minimalistic looking labels and looks really aesthetically pleasing. Once the label is ready, just peel off the backing and stick it to the surface. Make sure the surface is dry and clean. Now this is a pro tip. Make sure all your labels are on the same height and of the same size. This will give a very beautiful and uniform look to all the things that you arrange and give a sense of symmetry to your eyes. I'm using some craft paper to cover some female hygiene products, which I'll be keeping in one of the bins. These are simple envelopes. Using some leftover stickers, I'm just going to seal them. So now, let's arrange everything.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days.
Adding this bamboo shelf, which I got from Amazon, was a perfect fit under this basin.
And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet.
I'm also adding some extra disposable slippers. They come really handy not just for the guest, for any helper who comes to visit our homes. Some teepees. Recently, I have found that plants look best as a decor piece.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne.
I picked these stick-on hangers from Amazon and I'm going to use this to hang bath towels. But unfortunately the adhesive in these were not that strong, and after few hours this fell off. So I had to use 3M tapes to stick it back. And since I've used that, it has not ripped off from the wall. Another good product was these hooks. Again, it is an adhesive hook. And it has been holding really well. It's perfect to hang few clothes, maybe just one or two, not more than that.
Kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup.
I used two ways to hang the photo frames. One was by using these pin nails, and I hammered them in between the grouts. It worked perfectly to hold a light frame. Another way was using these same adhesive hooks, but just by pressing the hook a little so that it does not stand out. This also worked perfectly, so you can choose either option. This is another hack to give your bathroom a luxe look. Just fold the corners and make it a triangle and seal it with the water tap after closing it. It creates a beautiful impression on the teepee. And to keep your bathroom smelling, use essential oils. I have an entire video about this. I will leave it in the description box.
Should old acquaintance be
I added some bath mats and painted this hook, which was a total eyesore on this brown door. For the time being, I added a laundry bag at the back side of the door. These are extendable tension curtain rods and works perfectly for a rental home. If you have enjoyed this video by far, then please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. I'll leave you with the final tour.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you